Welcome to Islands Tradition. My name's Alicia, and today I'm going to show you how to make oat flour. Now, I live on a little island that only has one little store, and they sell necessities. But being 45 minutes from town and a ferry crossing, a lot of the times us islanders resort to making our own things from scratch. So today I will show you how to make oat flour, and it's very simple. You just take your oats, put it in a little, either a blender or food processor. Both work nicely. Put the cover on and we'll blend. And there is your oat flour. Simple as that. And you can use it in many recipes. Thank you for watching. Hope you learned something today. God bless.